Good morning. Today we are doing the wheat waffle recipe on page 3 of New Ideas for Cooking with Basic Food Storage. Um, I just use straight whole wheat flour. Typically I like to grind white wheat with hard red wheat for my flour, but I didn't have an open hard white wheat, so it's only red wheat today. I used powdered milk and powdered eggs in the recipe, along with some honey and oil. So I think it should work out just fine. Using fresh eggs makes them a little fluffier maybe, but I thought since I have powdered eggs open, I may as well use them. This is how it turned out. The batter's a little runny, and that could just be because I did powdered eggs with a little extra water to compensate for the powdered eggs. The little black flecks are probably brownie flecks. We tried making brownies in the waffle iron, and that was a really bad idea because they kind of stuck. And then I totally burned myself trying to get the brownie out. And the brownies kind of burned, and it just was a mess. So anyway, yeah, this is a good recipe. I do like my typical recipe a little bit better, but these aren't too bad.